Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tokyo Mobile Master. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting mid-range smartphones of the year, the Google Pixel 7a. With its flagship-level camera, smooth 90Hz display, and powerful Tensor G2 chip, is this the best budget-friendly smartphone of 2024? Stick around as we break down everything you need to know. The Pixel 7a keeps the classic Pixel design with a premium feel, even though it's more budget-friendly. It comes with an aluminum frame, a plastic back, and Gorilla Glass 3 on the front. It's available in 4 colors: charcoal, sea, snow, and the exclusive coral. At 152mm in height and weighing just 193.5 grams, it's compact, lightweight, and easy to handle. Plus, with IP67 water and dust resistance, you won't have to worry about accidental spills. The under-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock make unlocking the phone fast and secure. Moving on to the display, the Pixel 7a features a 6.1-inch OLED panel with a full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The biggest upgrade over last year's 6a, the 90Hz refresh rate. Scrolling and animations are smoother, making a big difference in day-to-day use. The brightness goes up to 1000 nits, ensuring great visibility outdoors. Under the hood, the Pixel 7a is powered by the Google Tensor G2 processor, the same chip found in the flagship Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. It's paired with 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128GB of UFS 3.1 storage. The phone ships with Android 13 out of the box and is upgradable to Android 14 and beyond, with at least 5 years of security updates. Google's software magic shines here, with AI-powered features like Magic Eraser, Photo Unblur, Live Translate, and Call Assist. The Tensor G2 handles daily tasks smoothly, but it's not the best for gaming compared to Snapdragon-powered competitors. Now, let's talk about the cameras, which are always a highlight on Pixel devices. The Pixel 7a features a 64-megapixels main sensor with optical image stabilization for sharp and detailed shots, plus a 13-megapixels ultrawide camera with a 120-degree field of view. On the front, you get a 13-megapixel selfie camera that supports 4K video recording. Google's Night Sight, Real Tone, and Magic Eraser make the camera experience even better. Compared to other mid-range phones, Pixel's computational photography gives it an edge, producing flagship-level results. The battery life on the Pixel 7a is solid, thanks to its 4385 mAh battery. Google claims it lasts over 24 hours, and with extreme battery saver mode, you can stretch it to 72 hours. The only downside, charging is limited to 18W wired and 7.5W wireless, which is slower than competitors like Samsung and OnePlus. Unfortunately, Google doesn't include a charger in the box, so you'll need to buy one separately. On the connectivity side, the Pixel 7a comes with 5G support, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC for contactless payments. You also get stereo speakers for an immersive audio experience. However, there's no headphone jack, so you'll need wireless earbuds or a USB-C adapter. Now, let's quickly go over the pros and cons. Starting with the positives. Flagship-level camera performance with excellent AI processing. Smooth 90Hz OLED display. Powerful Tensor G2 chip for AI-driven features. IP67 water and dust resistance. Wireless charging, a first for the Pixel A series. Now, the downsides. Charging speeds are slow compared to rivals. No expandable storage or charger in the box. Gets warm under heavy gaming. So, should you buy the Pixel 7a? If you're looking for a phone with one of the best cameras in its price range, a smooth and clean Android experience, and long-term software support, then yes, the Pixel 7a is a fantastic choice. However, if fast charging or high-performance gaming is your priority, you might want to check out alternatives like the Samsung Galaxy A54 or OnePlus 11R. That's it for today's review. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Pixel 7a. Would you buy it, or do you have another favorite mid-range phone? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech videos. Thanks for watching Tokyo Mobile Master, and I'll see you in the next one.